Yield farming is a popular way to earn rewards with your cryptocurrency, similar to earning interest in a savings account. Instead of a bank, you use decentralized finance, DeFi protocols. You lend your crypto assets to these platforms and receive rewards, often in the form of the platform's governance token. It's a method to put your idle crypto to work, with potential returns higher than traditional banks. It all starts with liquidity pools, large pools of crypto tokens locked in a smart contract. Users, known as liquidity providers, deposit tokens into these pools, enabling decentralized exchanges, DEXs, to function without a middleman. By providing tokens, you help the platform operate smoothly, earning yield, usually expressed as an annual percentage yield, APY. The APY can fluctuate based on factors like the amount locked in the pool and token demand. High rewards come with high risks, involving smart contracts, pieces of code on the blockchain. To start, you need a compatible crypto wallet like MetaMask and some cryptocurrency to deposit. Connect your wallet to a DeFi platform, choose a liquidity pool, and deposit your assets. The platform gives you liquidity provider, LP, tokens, representing your share of the pool. Stake these LP tokens to start earning yield. Many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces. A bear market is when asset prices fall significantly over time, affecting major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. For yield farmers, this presents new challenges as strategies that worked in a bull market may no longer be effective. The value of your assets decreases, and rewards are often paid in tokens losing value. Even with high APY, the monetary value of tokens can plummet, erasing gains. Overall activity reduces, leading to lower fees and less profitable yield farming. Farmers must shift focus from chasing high APY to preserving capital, minimizing losses. The game changes from offense to defense, reconsidering assets and platforms. The risk of project failure or a token going to zero increases in a bear market. Understanding market dynamics is crucial for surviving and potentially thriving during downturns. The focus should be on strategic asset management and platform trust. This shift is the first step to navigating yield farming in a bear market. Impermanent loss is a major risk in a bear market for liquidity providers. It occurs when token prices in a pool change compared to when deposited, leaving you with more of the weaker token. In volatile markets, impermanent loss can become permanent, making holding tokens more beneficial. Smart contract failure or exploitation is another risk, as DeFi platforms are built on complex code. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities, and if a platform is hacked, funds can be drained completely. Project and token failure is a concern, as many projects can't sustain operations in a bear market. Tokens paid as rewards can crash to near zero, leaving you with worthless assets. Distinguishing solid projects from failing ones is crucial for survival. Scams like rug pulls are common, where developers abandon projects and run with funds. Be vigilant and skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true. Diversification is key to managing risk in yield farming. Spread investments across different assets and protocols to cushion against failures. Focus on stablecoins to reduce price volatility risk, offering safer, consistent yields. Thorough research is essential to avoid scams and failing projects. Investigate projects, read white papers, and check for security audits. Engage with project communities to gauge their strength and potential. Start small, investing only what you can afford to lose, especially if new to yield farming. Learn the process on reputable platforms, gaining experience without risking much. Prioritize safety and simplicity over high returns, focusing on trusted platforms. Stay vigilant, skeptical, and informed to navigate yield farming responsibly. Consider Alex, who shifted strategy during a bear market, moving to stablecoin pools on established platforms. Though yields dropped, his capital was protected, and he used earnings to buy discounted assets. When the market recovered, his portfolio grew exponentially, showing the power of safety over high returns. In contrast, Ben chased high APYs on unproven platforms during a bear market. The token he farmed crashed, and the DEX he used was a soft rug pull. Ben was left with worthless tokens and a permanent loss, highlighting the risks of unsustainable yields. Alex's disciplined approach preserved capital and positioned him for the next bull run. Ben's story is a cautionary tale of ignoring risks and chasing unsustainable yields. The difference in outcomes underscores the importance of strategic risk management. Prioritizing safety and understanding market dynamics can lead to long-term success. Yield farming requires a balance of risk and reward, especially in volatile markets. Learning from real-world scenarios can guide new farmers in making informed decisions. Beginners should prioritize caution and education before entering yield farming. Learn basic concepts like liquidity pools, impermanent loss, and smart contracts. Use free resources to build a solid knowledge foundation, avoiding common pitfalls. Start with a small investment, treating it as the cost of education. Practice on reputable platforms, gaining hands-on experience without significant risk. Focus on safety and simplicity, using trusted platforms and stablecoin pools. Be skeptical of unsolicited offers and promises of guaranteed profits. Never share private keys or seed phrases, and double-check transactions. If an opportunity seems too good to be true, it likely is a scam. A cautious, informed approach sets the foundation for a successful yield farming journey.